5 p.m. is around the corner, and are you still struggling with your summary writing? Stay tuned with me. I'm going to show you some tips whereby you can score in your summary writing. The fact is, summary writing is not difficult because the answers are right under your nose. So here we are. I'm going to explain to you step by step or slide by slide on how to tackle summary writing. So what does summary test? Summary tests your ability to extract important points that are required from the question. So you need to learn to pick up the main points. Okay, and to be able to pick up the main points, you need to learn to identify the main points. Okay, and also make an outline of the points. Substitute expressions with single words. By substituting expressions which include several words, you need to find the best word to replace those several words. So this is the only way whereby you can shorten the statement. And you need to learn to use alternative vocabulary. In other words, words that pretty much shortens the whole expression. So here, these are the points for you to remember. Read the question to understand the task. Identify the sections to be summarized. This is easy, it's in the question. Read the passage again. The most important point that you have to do is to underline the most relevant points. And you have to write your summary in a single paragraph. That means it's one paragraph. And also remember the 10 words given is included with the number of words that you're supposed to write. That means you need to write about 120 more words because the 10 words are already given to you. And follow the sequence of events in the passage. It means that you should not skip your points. And make sure at the end of your summary writing you count the number of words. Learn to write precisely. Means include only important points, leave out irrelevant or unnecessary details. Avoid using contraction or short forms. It means that if you're supposed to write cannot, it should be spelled as C-A-N-N-O-T and not C-A-N''T. Make rough notes of the main points. Arrange the notes in correct order. Use your own words if possible. So what are you supposed to leave out during your summary writing? Well, look out for repetitions. Don't include them. Don't include unimportant details. Leave out the examples. No lengthy descriptions. No dialogues, and definitely no figurative expressions. And at the end of the text, the question for summary would look something like this. So here they require two kinds of information. Based on the given passage, write a summary on the hardship the villagers faced as a result of the flood and landslides. What was done to help them? And here is the requirement of the question. To be in continuous writing, it should never be in the form of a note or numbered. It should be in a single paragraph. And if they require you to pick up information from several lines, they will indicate the line numbers. For example, in this question, you can see that they've asked you to use material from line 16 and line 42 and not be longer than 130 words. Okay, like I've mentioned before, the number of words in your summary does include these words. Since they have given you the information on the lines that you should look out for when you're writing your summary, for example, in this question, you're supposed to pick up information from line 16 to line 42. What you can do is you could cross out the unnecessary sections in the text. This is how you can actually focus the points that you are supposed to retrieve the information from. This will help you to leave the unnecessary information and help you to focus on the points that you need to look out for. For example, if the question requires you to look out for two different kind of information, you can use two different colors. This will actually help you to narrow down to the kind of information that you need to write your summary. And another point that I would like to make here is for you to look out for the kind of pronoun that you're supposed to use. This is a common mistake that our students are making. Okay, here's an alert for you. If the pronoun in the text is written as I, read the requirement of the question carefully. Sometimes you may need to refer to the character in the story or text as the writer, or he or she, or by the name. So this is very important for you to remember in order for you not to lose marks. Writing using the correct pronoun in your summary writing is very crucial. So this is a mistake that you want to avoid. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can paraphrase and write effective summary. Paraphrasing is a very important skill. So stay tuned, look out for my next video, and if you want to be notified about that video, do hit the notification button. Most importantly, subscribe. I'll see you in my next content.